on with the literature reading. Then, last but not least, is Jordan, Devin, Lucy, Peyton, and Kristen with the dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I'm Sadhana Gangwaj studying kindergarten. I am here to tell us about my country, India, and the country's contribution to America. India is the biggest democratic country in the world with second highest population. Believe it or not, India has 28 states with 347 languages in usage and 15 official languages which are printed in Indian currency. The greatest legacy about India is that Hindu, Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism are religions born in India. Now let us see the amazing invention done by Indians to the world. Zero has no value, but other numbers have no value without zero. Yes, it has been invented by great Indian Aryabhata in 3rd century. The first crucible steel has been produced in South India since ancient times. Diamonds were first mined in India. Ayurveda and Siddha are the two natural methods of treatment which was originated in India. Yoga was born in India 26,000 years ago, which is being used by the whole world. Do you know why Indians are very popular in America, which is a great land of opportunity? Because there are 38% of doctors that are Indians, and 36% of NASA scientists that are Indians, and 34% of Microsoft employees that are Indians. Thank you all for listening to me and have a great day.